I'm Anna, a toy pattern designer. I create sewing patterns and tutorials for soft dolls and plush toys made from fabric. With Halloween just around the corner, I'd love to invite you to sew an adorably spooky mini bat with me using my free pattern. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire sewing process step by step. You'll find the link to the free pattern in my profile. This little bat is quick and easy to make. You can sew just one or create a whole family of bats to decorate your home for Halloween. So let's get started. You will need a fabric for the body. I'm using a fabric with a pile, but you can choose any material you like. Felt for the face, ears and wings. A bit of stuffing, thread and glue. Cut out the paper pattern pieces and place them on the fabric. Transfer all outlines and markings, then cut the pieces directly along the lines. The seam allowances are already included in the pattern. Now that all pieces are ready, let's start sewing. First, sew the front body pieces together, right sides facing. You can use a sewing machine or hand stitch with a back stitch. Next, place the front and back body pieces right sides together, pin them in place and insert the ears between the layers. Sew all the pieces together. I'm sewing by hand. Remember to leave an opening for turning and stuffing. Turn the bat right side out and fill it lightly with stuffing. A chopstick works great for this. Close the opening with a ladder stitch. Embroider the face with a few simple stitches and a back stitch. Don't forget the tiny fangs. They give our bat its spooky cute charm. I sew the felt face onto the body with a running stitch, but you can also glue it on if you prefer. Finally, attach or glue the wings. And there you have it. Our mini bat is ready. You can turn it into a brooch, make a few more to hang around the house, or even create a small Halloween table display. I decorated mine by hanging several bats on dry branches in a vase. Grab the free pattern and PDF tutorial for this bat through the link in my profile and let me know in the comments. What do you think of this little cutie? Will you sew one too? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It truly means the world to me. Wishing you a fun and cozy Halloween, and I'll see you in my next videos.